And hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to do this simple After Effects animation with this circles. It's not hard. I will show you, and I think the easiest way. And that's it. And the first thing you have to do when open the After Effects, go to the new composition. Go to the new composition and this window will pop up. First name this composition however I want. I will make it like on a name the circle. Preset is custom. This on the pixel rate, frame rate 30 and the duration is 10 seconds. Background color doesn't really matter. Next thing, go here and make a new solid layer, name it PG, and make it like some color that you want. I will make something like this. You can do whatever you want. This is the background. Unlock it and let's go to circles. Select the ellipse tool and uh, make the first ellipse circle. Uh, you you make it while holding shift so it can be this perfect. If you don't hold shift it will go crazy. Press shift and align it in the middle. We will make colors some like this and let's go where you are, maybe a little bit smaller and uh, and this is it. To go there right now on the 1 second and add the trim paths and click here on the start and clock to make a keyframe in 1 second of composition. Duplicate Control C and Control V to duplicate this circle, color it white and just make it a lot smaller and also like this. It also this copy paste, Control C, Control V, then make it bigger and change the color whatever you want. I will make something blue, or maybe not blue, maybe some green. I don't. Okay, green. Then go to more options. Go to contents, ellipse, and stroke. Go to the here, click on this post where the dashes are, and make it here 5 or no, offset 0 and dashes more than 5. We have to make maybe 25. Okay, and that's it. I don't think. Okay, everything is ready for animation, and maybe stroke this a little bit more, and that's all. You can make more circles, some other colors, whatever you want. Select all of these 3 circles and click U. We will see this clock on the first second. Go to the 4 second of composition and select first. Sorry. Delete this and go to the second one. Both start and then need to be 0%. And now go to the second. We don't need to edit this end part, only to start. Make it everything 100%. Then go to the 5th second and make a new keyframe for end, and go to the 8th second, and now just edit the end part to 100% like this, and we will now have this first type of animation that is not so cool. Just do it everything in the same time to make this a little bit more liveful or something like that. Go select all these keyframes and click F9, then go to this button here. Select start and end, and we will now do some things here. We will by editing these lines, we will make this composition more liveful, like this. Go down and shape 2, select start and end, and do now like this. You don't need to just like me, you can edit and explore by yourself. Then on the first, and now maybe something like this, go to the middle, and that's all. And now we have finished our animation just like this. You can see we made it a little bit more interesting and nice. That's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something and everything is clear. That's all. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.